Hi guys, it's Aniatullah from Audio Direct, and today we've got this absolutely beautiful Maserati GT in the shop, and we're going to be changing the factory entertainment system. So as you can see, it's got the original unit. It's not bad, everything works, and on this example even the buttons aren't as sticky as you'd normally find on lots of these older Maseratis, but we're going to be swapping this rather dated unit out for one of ours with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also hooking up a HD rear camera. Well, here you go, ladies and gentlemen. The screen is now in the Maserati GT. As you can see, flawless installation as per usual. No marks or anything. You've also got all your buttons still functioning. Sport, ice, park sensor control, traction control off as well. That's your main screen. You can of course configure and change it. It adds all your favorite shortcuts, as you can see. Super smooth transition. When you're driving, it will actually give you your speed and your revolutions as well. Navigation shortcut here, we haven't set it up, but you can actually put it to whichever navigation system you want. The small little icon there brings you back to your home button. Bluetooth, of course, to connect your phone for voice calling as well as for music streaming, but this of course has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so it's not as though you're going to be using Bluetooth anymore, to be honest. Spotify, Google Maps, Waze, absolutely everything is present and correct. You've also got shortcut to your applications, which of course you can download more from the Google Play Store from as well, and touch the home button as well. That will go back into the screen that will automatically connect to wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, another shortcut there. And also for this customer, now when you engage the reverse gear, you've got a crystal clear camera, HD wide angle with the rear sensors being displayed on the main screen. Another job by Audio Direct.